Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how I made Instapot chicken pho. Now, this is the first time I'm making anything like this in the Instapot, so there are a couple of things that I wanted to go over with y'all. First and foremost, please make sure you check out the blog that I got the recipe and the instructions from down below. It'll be in my description box. Please, please, please do yourself a favor and read through all the instructions. Second, please, please, please make sure you prep all of your ingredients. Also, I wanted to mention that I did use the wrong noodles in my video. They were the only thing I had on hand. Still delicious, no regrets. I don't have pho bowls, so you'll see me eating this from a mixing bowl. Whatever, no regrets. Overall, this pho is much lighter than something you would get from a restaurant, which I appreciate because sometimes after I eat pho, I feel kind of greasy and that doesn't pass the vibe. So this is much healthier in my opinion. Last tip, you will need quite a bit of salt. Don't feel bad that you're using like a ton of salt. Just make sure you're stirring and salting and tasting as you go. So make sure you're stirring it because you don't want all the salt to go down to the bottom and then you're just effed because it's over salted. That's the worst. There's no fixing that. Other than that, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give my video a like. Check out my other videos. Let me know if there's any type of food recipe or DIY or anything like that you want to see down below, okay? Other than that, enjoy.
a little bit of juice, a little bit of noodles.
Good.
Good job.
Na.
Here's my money.